So hey guys, and a shocking news coming in that's gonna blow your mind and make users happy who don't wanna spend that much on OnePlus most expensive phone but still wanna get a OnePlus. So we heard OnePlus is launching a brand new mid-range phone, the OnePlus Z, but that's not it. Some information coming in from Chinese source that OnePlus has given orders for a few 4G and 5G ODM smartphones, and that means OnePlus is joining hands with ODM firms. These firms are gonna design and manufacture smartphone, and then OnePlus is gonna put their branding and software and sell it to you guys. Yeah, of course, OnePlus is gonna tell them how to design. However, the final design is gonna be similar to Xiaomi and Huawei smartphones. Xiaomi and Huawei often launch ODM smartphones, and that's the reason their smartphones are so cheap. Even Samsung got the Galaxy M40/A60 and the Galaxy A10s via ODM. Wentai and Huakin are the well-known Chinese ODM firms. There's no information which firm is OnePlus working with, but we do know they are launching a few ODM smartphones this year with a non-expensive pricing. This information also says OnePlus is targeting markets like India and China with the mid-range ODM lineup. Right now, Xiaomi is on top when it comes to non-flagship devices, and OnePlus want to snatch that from Xiaomi and Samsung. With the latest iPhone SE, OnePlus is of course feeling that heat cause $399 USD in the US is not expensive at all. So yes, we know in competition they are launching the OnePlus Z really soon, and not only the OnePlus Z, they are also launching more mid-range and low-end smartphones this year, and if all goes well, they are gonna continue with this in the future as well. So yes, we may see many new phones under this lineup like OnePlus Z, Z Lite, Z Pro. Yeah, this is purely a speculation, the final naming may differ. All in all, get ready for some cheaper phones with Oxygen OS this year from the brand who is a flagship killer right now, and it's gonna be a mid-range killer as well. Xiaomi and Samsung should be scared for sure, cause honestly I think people are gonna pick software and privacy over specifications. Yeah, that's all. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.